Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In the last class we have seen the standard derivations of equations of a straight line. In first one, point slope theorem, second one, 2-point theorem, third one, slope intercept theorem, fourth one, intercept theorem. Today we are going to derive standard equation of the line in normal theorem. Fifth one, very important for 5 mark. Consider xy plane. X-axis y-axis, y is the origin. Let's take non-vertical line. It cuts both x and y-axis. Non-vertical line L. This line L. I am going to prove this equation of this line L in normal form. Normal form is here we have to draw perpendicular line from origin to the line and take angle between perpendicular line and positive x-axis. First I am drawing perpendicular line from origin to the line. Marked as point A. Here OL line is perpendicular to line L. Let OA equal to take distance P. So this line what we call means normal line. So normal line means perpendicular from your origin to the line. Let take angle between positive x-axis and line y, a normal line. Let take this is omega. From point A, draw perpendicular line to the x-axis. Marked as point A. Here OL line is perpendicular to line L. Therefore, this OL line is called perpendicular line or normal line. Here omega is the angle between positive x-axis and OL line. Here we are going to prove this equation of this line in normal form. Important for 5 marks. Let P be the perpendicular. This P equal to Y, perpendicular means normal from origin to the line L. From origin O to the line L. Such that your OA distance equal to P. Now take omega, it is the positive angle between your positive x-axis and line Y. Let omega be the angle between positive x-axis and the normal line. And the normal line here OA, such that angle XOA equal to omega. Angle XOA equal to omega. So here from right angle triangle OAM, omega opposite side is AM. This is omega adjacent side OM. Right angle opposite side here OA is this is hypotenuse. Right. Here, what are the coordinates of the point A means mind it. X coordinate OM, Y coordinate AM. Here first I am going to find here coordinates of the point A and slope of the line here. Here OM I am going to find first, next AM. From right angle triangle OAM, define cos omega. Cos function, you know that to define. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is OM, hypotenuse is Y. OM divided by Y. Then next, cos omega is equal to numerator as it is OM divided by OA value. Here we have OA equal to what? P. Substitute P. By cross multiplication, P into cos omega, P cos omega equal to OM. OM equal to P cos omega. Now define sine function. Sine omega your angle, opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is AM divided by hypotenuse is OA. AM divided by hypotenuse is OA. Then sine omega equal to AM divided by OA. Here OA equal to what? Here we have P. AM is equal to, by cross multiplication, P into sine omega, P sine omega. Therefore, coordinates of the point A. What are the coordinates of the point A? OM comma AM. Here substitute OM value. OM equal to P cos omega. AM equal to P sin omega. At origin both coordinates are 0, 0 and A point coordinates once again I am taking P cos omega, P sin omega. Here OM equal to P cos omega, AM equal to P sin omega. I am going to find slope of the lineal. Before that I am going to find slope of OA. Slope of OA. At origin both coordinates are 0, 0. A point coordinates P cos omega, P sin omega. We know that slope of the line passing through 2 points here. Slope of x1, y1 and x2, y2 is given by, we know that the difference of the y coordinates here, y2 minus y1 divided by the difference of the x coordinates, x2 minus x1. I am going to find slope of OA, this slope of OA line. Slope of the line passing through origin and this point A. Formula, the difference of the y coordinates here. Here y coordinate minus y coordinate here. P sin omega minus here y coordinate 0 divided by the difference of the x coordinates. Here x coordinate minus x coordinate. Here x coordinate P cos omega minus 0. P sin omega minus 0, P sin omega divided by P cos omega. P gets cancelled. Sin omega by cos omega tan omega. Slope of this OA line is tan omega. I am going to find slope of this line L means this line is perpendicular to OA line. Mind it here. Tell you OA line is perpendicular to line L. Since OA is perpendicular to line L. Therefore, what about product of their slopes? Product of slope of OA and slope of line L, which is equal to -1. We know that two lines are perpendicular. Then what about their slopes means product of the slopes equal to -1. M1 into M2 equal to -1. Here M1 I am taking slope of OA, M2 slope of line L. Therefore, slope of OA into slope of line L, which is equal to -1. Mind it here. This is M1. Consider this is M1. This is M2. M1 into M2 equal to -1. Following. Here I am going to find slope of line L. Slope of line L here. Slope of line L, which is equal to -1 by slope of OA. -1 by slope of OA. Slope of OA equal to what? Tan omega. 1 by tan theta, we know that 1 by tan theta cot theta minus cot omega. Next, cot in terms of cos and sin. Cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta minus cos omega by sin omega. This is slope of the line L. This line passing through the point A point, its coordinates P cos omega comma P sin omega, and slope of the line L, this is slope of the line L, minus cos omega by sin omega. By using point slope theorem, I am going to prove your equation of the line in normal form. Mind it, there is no space. I am repeating this and then go to next steps. Mind it. First here, let us take x and y axis, xy plane. Draw non-vertical line which cuts both x and y axis. Draw your OL line. This is OL line is perpendicular to line L. Let us take OA equal to P. Angle between positive x-axis and y line omega. That is angle XOA equal to omega. Angle XOA equal to omega. Correct. Now from right angle triangle OAM, define cos omega. Cos omega which is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is OM, hypotenuse is OA. OM divided by OA. Then cos omega which is equal to OM divided by, here OA equal to what means P here. Substitute OA value P. By cross multiplication, OM equal to P into cos omega, P cos omega. Now define sin omega. Sin omega means opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is AM divided by hypotenuse is OA. AM divided by OA. Sin omega. AM divided by OA. Then here arrow mark means next step. Then sin omega, this is equal to AM divided by here OA value P. By cross multiplication, this AM equal to P into sin omega, P sin omega. Coordinates of the point M and it here OM, x coordinate OM, comma y coordinate AM. A equal to OM, comma AM. Substitute OM value. OM equal to P cos omega, comma here AM value P sin omega. Coordinates of the point A, this is P cos omega, comma P sin omega are following. First point, slope of the line OA at origin, both coordinates are 0. Here A point coordinates. Slope of OA, the difference of the y coordinates P sin omega minus here 0 divided by the difference of the x coordinates P cos omega minus 0. P sin omega divided by P cos omega. PP gets cancelled. Sin theta by cos theta, tan theta. Your angle is omega. So clearly from the figure, here OA line, this OA line is perpendicular to line L. Are following? OA line is perpendicular to line L. Then what about their slopes? Two lines are perpendicular. Product of their slopes equal to -1. We know that. Therefore, slope of OA, slope of the line OA into slope of the line L equal to -1. M1 into M2 equal to -1. Here I am going to find slope of the line L. Therefore, slope of the line L which is equal to -1 divided by slope of OA. Next step. -1 divided by slope of OA. Slope of OA is tan omega. 1 by tan theta, write cot theta. Cot in terms of cos and sin. Cos omega by sin omega. The slope of the line L is minus cos omega by sin omega. This line passing through the point A point. So next step, by point slope theorem equation, y minus y naught which is equal to m into x minus x naught. By point slope theorem, equation of the line L passing through the point here, A point, this line passing through the point A point coordinates P cos omega, comma P sin omega. OM value P cos omega, AM value P sin omega. X0 comma Y0 with slope of the line M equal to, here we proved slope equal to what? Minus cos omega by sin omega. Slope of the line is given by minus cos omega divided by sin omega is given by point slope form equation y minus y0 which is equal to m into x minus x0. We know that point slope form equation. Clearly, here x0 equal to p cos omega, y0 equal to p sin omega, and slope m equal to minus cos omega by sin omega. Y minus y0 value p sin omega, which is equal to m value minus cos omega divided by sin omega into x minus x0 value p cos. By taking cross multiplication, this is y minus p sin omega into sin omega is equal to minus cos omega into x minus p cos omega. Multiply y into sin omega, y sin omega. Next, minus p sin omega into sin omega, minus p into sin omega, sin square omega equal to, multiplying this inside the bracket here, minus cos omega into x, minus x cos omega, minus into minus plus p cos omega into cos omega, cos square omega. Now I am separating p terms and other terms here. P terms here. Right side p cos square omega here as it is. Taking right side, here minus become plus p sin square omega. Remaining terms I am taking left side here. Take it as left side, minus become plus x cos omega by taking left side. Here remaining term here plus y sin omega. Taking p common factor, cos square omega plus sin square omega. We know that cos square theta plus sin square theta, which is equal to 1. P into cos square omega plus sin square omega value 1. P into 1 P. So LHS x cos omega plus y sin omega equal to P. X cos omega plus y sin omega equal to P. This is standard equation of the line in normal form. This is required equation of the line in normal form. What about P? Very important here. P omega, mind it, normal form, you have to observe two things very important. Here what is P and what is omega. P means, mind it, perpendicular distance from origin to the line, or P means length of the perpendicular from origin to the line. P means perpendicular. Perpendicular means here normal distance from origin to the line. What about omega? Omega means it is the angle between positive x-axis and a normal line here, y. Omega is the angle between positive x-axis and the normal line. A normal line is y. Got it. Very important. Where is the derivation? We have seen how to find coordinates of the point here and slope of the line here. By point slope form, equation of this line L passing through the point A coordinates p cos omega comma p sin omega with the slope of the line L minus cos omega by sin omega is given by y minus y0, which is equal to m into x minus x0. Here x0 equal to p cos omega, y0 equal to p sin omega. Here slope, this is minus cos omega by sin omega. Substitute here y minus y naught value p sin omega, which is equal to m value minus cos omega by sin omega into x minus x naught value p cos omega. By taking cross multiplication, y minus p sin omega into sin omega, which is equal to minus cos omega into x minus p cos omega. Multiplying these two, y into sin omega, y sin omega, minus p sin omega into sin omega, sin square omega. Next, multiplying these two, minus cos omega into x, minus x into cos omega, minus into minus plus p cos omega into cos omega, cos square omega. Here this x term into mark term taken as the left side, minus become plus x cos omega. Here y term as it is y sin omega. Right side p cos square omega as it is. Here taken minus p sin square omega. Right side minus become plus p sin square omega. Taking p common factor, cos square omega plus sin square omega. Cos square theta plus sin square theta 1. P into 1 p. LHS x cos omega plus y sin omega equal to p. This is the required equation of the line in normal form. Two things are very important here. What is p? Here what is omega angle? P means here perpendicular distance from origin to the line here, right? Perpendicular normal means perpendicular distance from origin to the line. So next omega means it is the angle between positive x-axis and the here line OA. Omega is the angle between positive x-axis and the line OA. Very important. Two cases very important. Now go to the problem. So now go to second exercise of the chapter, exercise 10.2. Exercise 10.2. First problem. Write the equations. Write the equations for the x and y axis. Write the equation for the x and y axis. First problem. Write the equations for the x and y axis. We have to find equation of x axis and equation of the y axis. X axis, y axis. We know that equation of any horizontal line which is of the form y equal to plus a or y equal to minus a. Here a means perpendicular distance from x axis to the line L. Suppose this is line L. The distance is a means here. Equation of this line is y equal to a. Mind it. Equation of any horizontal line which is of the form y equal to a or y equal to minus a. Here what is a means here? Distance from x axis to that line. Correct here. What is the equation of x axis? I am going to find the equation of x axis here. Equation of x axis it is also horizontal line. Here y equal to constant. What is the distance between x axis and x axis itself? 0, that is. Therefore, equation of the x axis is 0. Correct. And what is the equation of vertical line? You know that x axis, y axis. Here vertical line. Vertical line means parallel to y axis. Equation of any vertical line which is of the form x equal to b or x equal to minus b. So here b means perpendicular distance from y axis to the line L. Y axis to the line L here. Equation of this line is x equal to plus b. This line lies right side of the y axis. Suppose here distance b means this line lies left side of the y axis. Therefore, equation of this line is x equal to minus b. X equal to minus b. Got it? So here what is the equation of this line means? Here y axis it is also vertical line. Clearly equation of this line which is of the form x equal to, what is the distance between y axis and itself? 0. Equation of x axis y equal to 0. Equation of y axis x equal to 0. Our x-axis, y-axis, y is the origin. 1, 2, 3 I am taking. Point numbers are along x-axis. Here point on x-axis, y coordinate value 0, x coordinate value 1. Here point x coordinate value 2, y coordinate value 0. Point here x coordinate value 3, y coordinate value 0. On x-axis, what about y coordinate value 0? Therefore, equation of x-axis, y coordinate value 0, y equal to 0. On y-axis 1, 2, 3. On y-axis x coordinate value 0, y coordinate value 1. X coordinate value 0, y coordinate value 2. Here x coordinate value 0, y coordinate value 3. You take any point on the y-axis, what about x coordinate value 0? Therefore, equation of this y-axis is x equal to 0. Alternatively, got it? Or directly we can write equation of x-axis is y equal to 0 and equation of y-axis is x equal to 0. Therefore, write equation of the x-axis is what? Y equal to 0. Very important. And equation of the y-axis is x equal to 0. Go to second problem. Find the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line passing through the point. Passing through the point minus 4, 3 with the slope half. Find the equation of the line passing through the point with the slope. See here, we have to find the equation of the line passing through the point. Here we have point and slope means we have to find the required equation of the line by using point slope theorem. So here point here x0 comma y0 minus 4 comma 3 and slope here. Slope means it denote m equal to half. By point slope theorem, equation of the line is given by y minus y0 equal to m into x minus x0. See, x0 comma y0 means here x coordinate x0 equal to minus 4 and y0 equal to second element of the ordered pair 3. What is here m value of substitute the values here in this equation. Y minus y0 value here y0 equal to what 3. Here slope m value of into x minus x0 value x0 equal to minus 4. Again minus 4. x0 value minus 4. By cross multiplication 2 into here y minus 3, 2 into y minus 3 which is equal to here 1 into x, here x minus into minus plus 4. 2 into y 2y, 2 into minus 3 minus 6 equal to x plus 4. 2y minus 6, taking these terms left side, plus x become minus x, plus 4 become minus 4 which is equal to 0. What is? Here first y term 2y, here x term minus x, next constant term minus 6 minus 4 minus 10 which is equal to 0. This is the required equation. First to write x term or y term, the last finally constant term. First here y term 2y minus x minus 10. Suppose if you want to write first x term, first as x term means here x coefficient negative here. Multiply minus on both sides. Alternative. Multiplying minus on both sides. minus into minus plus x, minus into plus minus 2y, minus into minus plus 10 equal to 0, which is the required equation. Got it? So find the equation of the line passing through the point. Point means here x naught comma y naught minus 4 comma 3, and slope of the line, slope here m equal to half. Therefore, by point slope theorem, equation of the line is y minus y naught equal to m into x minus x naught. Y minus your y naught value, y naught equal to 3 equal to slope m value half into x minus x naught value. X naught equal to what means here? First element x naught equal to minus 4. By cross multiplication, 2 into y minus 3 equal to 1 into here x minus into minus plus 4. Here 1 into x plus 4. 1 into x plus 4, x plus 4. 2 into y, 2y. 2 into minus 3, minus 6. 2y minus 6 left side as it is. Taking these terms left side, plus x become minus x, plus 4 become minus 4 equal to 0. First y term 2y, here next x term minus x. Finally constant term, adding minus 6, minus 4, minus 10 equal to 0. This is the required equation. This is correct. Are multiplying minus on both sides here. Minus into minus plus here x, minus into plus minus 2y, next minus into minus plus 10 equal to 0. Both are correct. Both are the required equations. Got it? Yes. So next, third problem. Third problem. Find the equation of the line passing through origin 0, 0 with slope m. Find the equation of the line passing through here at origin x naught, y naught. Here we have slope here m as it is. By point slope theorem, we shall find required equation of the line. So here clearly point x naught, y naught, 0, 0, and slope here denoting m here. Slope equal to m. By point slope theorem, equation of the line is given by y minus y naught equal to m into x minus x naught. X naught equal to 0, y naught equal to 0. Y minus y naught value 0. Slope here m as it is into x minus here x naught value is also 0. Y minus 0, y equal to m into x minus 0, x. This is the required equation. Y equal to mx, or you can take plus for right side. N of this is y equal to mx. Got it? Yes. I am giving one homework problem. Fourth one. Home assignment. Find the equation of the line. Passing through minus 2, 3 with the slope minus 4. Take this for home assignment. Next, fifth problem. Fifth problem. Find the equation of the line passing through 2, 2 root 3 and inclined with the x-axis at an angle of 75 degree. An angle of 75 degree. Find the equation of the line passing through point 2 comma 2 root 3 and inclined with the x-axis at an angle of 75 degree. Rough figure I am drawing. X-axis, y-axis 75 degree. Find the equation of this line. It makes an angle 75 degree, the positive x-axis, and this line passing through the point, some point 2 comma 2 root 3. Here angle here given, the required line passing through the point here given x0 comma y0, and the angle given means first find slope of the line. What is the slope of the line means here 75 degree, it is called inclination of the line. Inclination of the line. Then what is slope of the line means m equal to tan theta. M equal to tan theta. This is called slope of the line. Mind it. First find slope of the line and find required equation by using point slope theorem. First one, point slope theorem. Here point x0 comma y0 2 comma 2 root 3 and theta here given that angle inclined with the x-axis at an angle of 75 degree, theta equal to 75 degree. Therefore slope of the line is given by m equal to tan theta. Tan, substitute theta value 75 degree. Tan 75 degree, we have seen in trigonometry. Directly I am writing formula tan 75 degree root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. You rational the denominator, you get another value. Either take simplification value, either this value tan 75 degree value root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. By point slope theorem, equation of the line is given by y minus y0 equal to m into x minus x0. x0 value to y0 value 2 root 3. x0 value first x coordinate, y0 value y coordinate, that's it. Y minus y0 value y coordinate 2 root 3. Here slope m value what? M equal to this root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1 into x minus x0 value x coordinate value 2. Simplify this by taking cross multiplication. Root 3 minus 1 into this root 3 minus 1 into y minus 2 root 3, which is equal to root 3 plus 1 into x minus 2. Multiplying these two factors, root 3 into y, root 3y. Next, root 3 into minus 2 root 3, minus 2, root 3 into root 3 whole square. Next, minus 1 into y, minus y, minus into minus, plus 1 into 2 root 3, 2 root 3. Or directly here, we can write, directly I am writing, y term as it is, root 3 minus 1 into y as it is, root 3 minus 1 into y as it is, y term, for easy one. Next, minus 2 root 3 into root 3 minus 1, I am writing, for easy one. Minus 2 root 3 into root 3 minus 1. Similarly, root 3 plus 1 into x as it is, I am writing, root 3 plus 1 into x term, total x term as it is. Next here, minus 2 into this, minus 2 into root 3 plus 1. Root 3 minus 1 into y, minus 2 root 3 into root 3, minus 2 root 3 into root 3 whole square. Minus into minus plus 2 root 3 into 1, 2 root 3. X term as it is, root 3 plus 1 into x, minus 2 into root 3, minus 2 root 3, minus 2 into plus 1, minus 2. Square cancel. Root 3 minus 1 into y, minus 2 into 3, minus 6 plus 2 root 3. Take the left side, a plus become minus total term, minus this total term as it is, root 3 plus 1 into x. Here minus become plus 2 root 3, here minus become plus 2. Now write equation order. Either y term or x term you take now. Root 3 minus 1 into y term. Next x term minus root 3 plus 1 into x. Next constant terms adding 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3. 2 plus 2 4. 4 root 3. Next minus 6 plus 2 minus 4 which is equal to 0. Correct. This is the required equation. Whereas your x coefficient negative means multiply minus on both sides. Minus on both sides. Minus into minus plus root 3 plus 1 into x. Here minus into plus minus root 3 minus 1 into y. Here minus into plus minus 4 root 3 minus into minus plus 4 equal to 0. The required equation. So got it? Here take x naught comma y naught 2 comma 2 root 3 and the angle here given theta equal to 75 degree. First point slope of the line m equal to tan theta. Theta value 75 degree. Tan 75 degree value root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. By point slope form equation of this line is y minus y naught equal to m into x minus x naught. Y minus y naught value 2 root 3. Slope m value root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1 into x minus x naught value x naught equal to 2. By taking cross multiplication root 3 minus 1 into y minus 2 root 3 which is equal to root 3 plus 1 into x minus 2. Root 3 minus 1 into y, root 3 minus 1 into y. Next minus 2 root 3 into root 3 minus 1. Root 3 plus 1 into x as it is take. Next minus 2 into root 3 plus 1. Minus 2 into root 3 plus 1. Here y term take as it is. Multiply minus 2 root 3 into root 3. 2 root 3 into root